Now, let's introduce the usage of the GPS8-1863A. This model can accept 3 input power sources. The upper end terminal is connected to the neutral wire of the 3-phase power supply. L1, L2, and L3 are connected to the live wires of 3 separate power supplies. Connect the lower end to the output load. The first route is the photovoltaic power supply. The other 2 circuits are the mains power and the generator. Close the circuit breaker. Screen displays voltage. Countdown begins in 5 seconds. Load powered on. The L1 indicator light is on. Turn on the mains power and the generator power in sequence. Now disconnect L1. The product automatically switches to L2 power supply. The L2 indicator light is on. Cut off the L2 power supply. The product automatically switches to L3 power supply. The L3 indicator light is on. Restore L1. The L1 indicator light starts flashing. Switch to L1 power supply in 10 seconds. Currently prioritized for L1. Press and hold the power button to control the load on/off. Press and hold the M key to enter the function settings. Parameters such as overvoltage and undervoltage can be set.